My name is Kenny and I'm one of the founders and head of business development at Videmo. Videmo is a face recognition company. So we do face recognition software for various applications, retail analysis, customer analysis, also security domain. We started Videmo 8 years ago for doing image analysis in a broader sense, and from then we've evolved into becoming experts for face recognition for various markets. We developed the technology internally, so we keep developing it every year, improving the performance. And what it does is actually, it's face recognition for retail applications. So you find faces, detect faces in video images, find out what the gender, what the age of people is passing in front of the cameras, and then using all of this to optimize your shop experience. You can, for example, look at the entrances of your shops, of your retail stores. You know who's coming in, if it is men, if it's women, what's the approximate age of these people, so demographic information. What you can also do is you can place cameras in front of digital signage displays, so then you know who's watching your displays, how long you're watching them, etc. What we're showing here is a complete user journey. Videmo first captures who is there, who's entering your store, what your viewers are, what's the demographic. Then LiveDo uses that information to really target ads to these viewers on specific screens. We put a lot of emphasis on making this really easy to use for integrators so that they really don't spend a lot of time integrating our system with others. You can combine this with footfall data, you can combine this with wireless tracking data, you can very easily integrate this into other systems. We are completely hardware agnostic, so you can make your setup with whichever PC you need, which camera you need, suited for your needs, and we can help you making the best setup for your needs. As a company, we use face recognition for several use cases, but what we're showing here, the PeopleStats application, is actually perfectly data protection compliant. So all the analysis is done online. No data is ever stored, no images are stored. All you get out is the metadata of who entered the store. It's been really a great show for us. There's been a lot of people passing by. We had an incredibly busy first day. People are really excited to see this technology. Maybe they've seen something similar here or there, but here they can really see it in a very nice way, showing the real application. We've got lots of positive feedback from end customers, from all kinds of integrators also. We're really excited about this.